Ever wondered how long Raiz has been gracing our financial lives? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the history of this innovative banking platform. Raiz. The name might sound familiar, conjuring up images of effortless investing and growing your wealth. But have you ever stopped to think about how long this unique platform has been helping people invest? It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of modern finance, with apps and platforms popping up seemingly overnight. But Raiz, with its focus on micro-investing and long-term growth, has a story that's worth exploring. Raiz, in its current form, is a relatively young player in the financial game. However, its roots can be traced back to 2016 when it was founded in Australia. Early days, the concept was simple yet revolutionary: automate your investments. Raiz pioneered the idea of rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. This seemingly small act of rounding up quickly adds up over time, making investing accessible to everyone. Rapid growth: the Australian market embraced Raiz, and soon, the platform began expanding its reach. Global expansion: Raiz's success down under paved the way for its global ambitions. The platform quickly expanded into other markets, including the United States, where it's known as Acorns. Key milestones. Early adoption: Raiz quickly gained traction, attracting a significant user base in Australia. This early success validated the platform's unique approach to investing. Technological advancements: throughout its journey, Raiz has consistently evolved, incorporating new technologies and features. This includes advancements in portfolio diversification, AI-powered investment strategies, and improved user interfaces. Regulatory hurdles: like any innovative financial platform, Raiz has faced its fair share of regulatory challenges. Navigating these hurdles has been crucial for the platform's continued growth and success. Raiz's impact on the investment landscape is undeniable. Democratizing investing: by making investing effortless and accessible, Raiz has empowered millions of people to start their investment journeys. Promoting long-term savings: the platform's focus on long-term growth encourages users to think beyond immediate gratification and prioritize their financial futures. Shifting investment behavior: Raiz has played a significant role in shifting investment behavior. It has shown that investing can be integrated seamlessly into everyday life, making it less daunting and more appealing to a wider audience. Looking ahead, Raiz continues to innovate and evolve. Expanding product offerings: the platform is constantly exploring new product offerings to cater to the evolving needs of its users. This might include features like retirement planning tools, personalized financial advice, and even more sophisticated investment strategies. Technological advancements: expect to see continued advancements in AI and machine learning, further enhancing the investment experience for Raiz users. Global domination: Raiz has ambitious plans for global expansion, aiming to become a truly global player in the fintech space. So, how long has Raiz been around? While its roots may extend further back, the Raiz we know today has been shaping the investment landscape for several years. From its humble beginnings as a micro-investing platform in Australia, Raiz has grown into a global force, empowering millions of people to invest for their future. With its innovative approach and commitment to user centricity, Raiz is well positioned for continued success in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.